Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going through deals part 2, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. The first deal is going to be on this free assembly sweater. It has that crew neckline, this really pretty floral embroidering, has that drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, regularly $26, fully stocked in the ivory, and they're down to $8.60. Also on sale and almost fully stocked are these Jessica Simpson. They're like a mesh shimmer material. It has that higher neckline with the lettuce trim, drop sleeve, bell sleeve at the bottom with the slit, also that lettuce trim. Same kind of fit through the back. These are regularly $22. They're now on sale for $6.90. Also on sale is this plush jacket from Jessica Simpson. So this has the oversized collar, lapel, really pretty rhinestone button, completely lined, same fit through the back, regularly $46, now on sale for $18. My favorite chap sweaters, these are in the men's section. I have this in the size small. It's still gonna be like a relaxed fit, but they're so nice for the price. Very comparable to the Ralph Lauren sweaters. So they have that crew neckline, embroidered stars. They actually made this blue a lot nicer. The one I have has like more of a brighter blue, and then the logo on sale in the solid black for $5.97. New puffer jacket from Free Assembly. This one has a mid-size collar, zip. I love this plaid print. Has a little bit of a drop sleeve, relaxed through the wrist, snap pockets with the toggle. It's lined on the inside, and then the seam detailing in the back. And these are going to be on sale for as low as $12.97. Dress from Scoop. This one has that plunging V neckline, elastic and smocky on the wrist, also through the body. It's flowy through the front and the back in the black floral. Also comes in the solid black, and on sale for $12.71. New tulle skirt from Scoop. So this one has the elastic waist, the drop tier, nice and flowy. How adorable is this? Same kind of fit through the back. Sale for $9.17. New piece in that plaid. I love this plaid. I wound up picking up this dress that I shared, so it'll be in the haul. But this one has the smaller collar, full button up into the waist, the smocking. It's a flowy skirt with the button on the wrist and the seam in the back. In the green plaid, also comes in the black, and these are on sale for $10.12. How cute are these no coats from Free Assembly? So it has a Sherpa oversized collar, zip, quilted, and this corduroy material, has the snap pockets, relaxed through the wrist, really nice length, and they're $40. On sale for as low as $12.97. Also with the Sherpa trim are these coats from Scoop. So they have that oversized collar, the side zip with the same kind of trim all on the inside. The whole lining has the side pocket, the little relaxed wrist with the trim at the bottom. We saw this one in another color, and it's sale for $17.10. Also in that balloon style is this one from Free Assembly. It has the crew neckline, oversized balloon sleeve. It's a poplin material. Now we're seeing it in the red. We also saw it in this plaid, and on sale in plus size for $7.53. And then also new are these sweater dresses from Scoop. So they have that V neckline, the side seam detail, a relaxed fit with the seam detailing in the waist, all kinds of ribbing in each tier, and then the same fit through the back. So it comes in the green, also in black, which can't go wrong with red lip. You could do a silver, cute little bag, and perfect holiday little black dress. On sale for $13.82. Free Assembly black blazer. They're really nice for the price. They have the smaller collar, lapel, relaxed through the wrist, completely lined, same fit through the back. They're regularly, I'm pretty sure these are $34. They're now on sale for $11.74. The thicker material, it has that band around the neckline, sleeveless. There is a little bit of a shimmer with the drop tier. Has that tie in the back. It's oversized with that same kind of fit. And these are on sale for $13.72. They also have these now. It's like a faux fur. These are from Ozark Trail. Has the rounded toe, the duck front, lace up. They're regularly $39.98. Sale online for $20.99. Also new slingback from No Boundaries. So this has that pointed toe, the little buckle detail with the elastic back, a little bit of a chunky heel, and on sale for $9.98. We also brought back the plush hooded sweatshirt with the jogger pant. So these have a little embroidering drop sleeve, relax to the wrist shorter fit with the hood in the back. Pants are jogger style with that elastic at the bottom. They also have the elastic waistband in the ivory with hot cocoa, the red and black buffalo check with the teddy bear, the red hearts, it's like a plush look, and then the blue with the snowflakes. And the two pieces are sale for $10.45. Brought back one of my favorite jumpsuits from holiday time. So these are a plush hood, drawstring, full zip, kangaroo pocket, has the jogger bottom with the ribbed wrist. These are so comfortable. I think I wore this not last Christmas, like a gift haul the year before that, and on sale for $11.84. New color in this rhinestone beaded top from Free Assembly. So it has the smaller collar, the little shoulder detail, all the pearls and rhinestones with the gathering on the wrist, also the double button. You could see more length through the back. So this fuchsia and white stripe is new. We also saw it in that solid white, and on sale for $8.24. I have this vest and I really love it. It's so good for the price. It's a knit material and then it has this like shaggy front. They are regularly $34. It's now $9.21. So I really recommend it. I got my usual size. It's so much warmer than it looks. New color in the mock neck sequin bodysuits from No Boundaries. So these are a mesh material. They have that higher neckline, fitted through the wrist, and then a thong style back with the keyhole. Comes in the red, also the new gold, and we saw the black. And these are going sale for $6.24. Also new coat from Scoop. So this has a mid-size collar. It has this little buckle detail, has this faux suede lining, seam detailing through the arm with the side pocket. Also has the buckles on the side. This is the extra small, so it is an oversized. Sale for $17.10. New color in the sweater dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that scallop mock neck trim, the bell sleeve. It's relaxed fit, but if you size down, it is going to be more fitted. And then it ties in the back. That's what I did last year. I think I got the extra small. So it comes in the green, also in black, and they're on sale for $9. Also new pleated skirt from Free Assembly. This one has that flat front, elastic through the back, nice and flowy, and they are on sale for $14.82. These boots from Time and True are also marked down online. So these have the round toe, chunky heel, that perforated detailing with the zipper on the inside. Originally $27. Sale for $10.49. New Portland boots. So these are probably online only. They have a round toe, that zip front with a chunky heel. Also the zipper on the inside. These are in the leopard. They're on sale in store and then also online. They're off the shoulder from Madden NYC. Has that shorter skirt. Comes in solid leopard. Also in this ombre. They're $9 in my store. I think that's how much the sets are online as well. Also on sale are these twist tops from Time and True. They have that crew neckline, side seam detailing, banded wrists, that same fit through the back. It looks like they're in store and online, $5, regularly $11.98. Bodysuit from Sofia Vergara, majorly marked down. So this one has the ruche sleeve, that little snap, has a fuller back, regularly $22. They're now $8, and it also comes in black. New shimmer sweaters from Madden NYC. These have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. It is a shorter boxy fit. Depending on how tall you are, this might be cropped. In the gray, also comes in a black with the silver. How cute are these? And they are going to be on sale for $7.50. Also new platform boots from Madden NYC. These have the round toe foam bottom. That's what they look like on the inside. These on sale for $14.99. New denim from Jessica Simpson. These look like they're a mid-rise. They have the whiskering. They have this gold little strip through the leg. Looks like a skinny. And then pockets on the back. On sale for $13.54. New cargo denim from Sofia Vergara. These are high rise. They have the flat pocket, the whiskering, relaxed through the leg. It's the relaxed straight with trouser style pockets in the back. And the on sale for $16.80. Also new satin cargo pants from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have the pork chop pocket. Also comes with the belts, a nice flowy leg with pockets in the back. In the green, on sale for $11.34. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that rib neckline, the gold buttons, the two front pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the ribbing. It's a shorter fit but relaxed. This is the medium. In the red, I'm also now seeing it in the black. And sale for $14.30. And then also new from Free Assembly is this little like twist pop one. So it also has the puff sleeve, flowy tiers all the way down through the front and the back. And the on sale for $9.74. Also new belted dress from Free Assembly. So this has the ruffled neckline, buttons up until the waist, elastic, and then a dolman sleeve with a little ruffle trim and a drop tier. Super flowy. Also comes with the belt to bring it in. On sale for $9.90. New one shoulder tops from Sofia. So these have the thicker strap, scoops down, ruching on the side, same fit through the back. I think this one was also like a very similar style they had last year. So in the leopard, also in the solid black, and on sale for $4.56. They have a new piece that matches back to these tops. So I know these were on sale. I don't know if they're, restocking or if these were just sent late. But their skirts are really cute from Free Assembly. They have the side zip belt fitted through the waist, and then it flows in the front and back. And these are on sale for $10.88. New balloon sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline. It has the gathering. It's a poplar material with the elastic belt. And then it's flowy with pockets. Ties in the back. Also has the smocking to pull it in with a zipper in the red. Also comes in black. Sale for $10.35. They also restocked these cable knit hooded sweaters, and they added some new colors. So these have the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, silver hardware drawstring with the hood. In the beige, there's also this gray, navy. I also picked it up in the black. That was the original. Sale for $10.19. New sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have a ribbed scoop neckline, the side seam detailing, oversized ribbed wrist with that oversized ribbed bottom. You could see it has that raw hem, and then the same kind of fit through the back. They're a nice heavier weight. Sale for $9.28. Velvet overalls from Jessica Simpson in the trends video. So in case you missed that one, I'll show them again. These have that squared neckline, the little pocket in the front, band. It's a pork chop style pocket, wide leg. It looks like it is a little shorter, and then it ties in the back. So I wasn't sure if this was a jumpsuit or overalls, but it looks like online they have it listed as overalls. On sale for $9.78. New plush hooded little like blanket, wearable blankets from Joyce Bun. It's called the Plush Lounger. So it has the kangaroo pockets, wrap style front, longer length with the hood in the back. In the ivory with this black embroidered trim. Also comes in the gray with that same trim. They have a red and black buffalo check. On sale for $10.29. We have a new pajama print. Oh my goodness, I have to grab these because last season when they had this style for the Halloween, I didn't grab it, and then when I went back to get it, they were gone. But there's a plush pink smaller collarful button with the pocket. The pants are wide leg, nice and flowy. So now they have the pink Ho Ho Howdy. They also have the red rock cats, which is also the one I loved, and you guys know I love the gingerbreads. and the blue frosty and the green reindeer, and they sell for $10.73. New colors in this jacket from Avia. So they have that mock neck, the side seam detailing, oversized ribbed wrists, zippered pockets, and then the same fit. Now in this teal, also comes in green. There's a couple different blue options. On sale in the taupe for $12.09, the green for $13.19, pink and teal and brown for $15.39. And then to match, they have these fleece pants. So these have that same kind of toggle, the zippered pocket, cargo pocket through the leg, jogger style bottom in the black, also comes in ivory, and they're on sale for $13.20. Another good Lululemon look for less. I think the jacket or coat is over $230. This one's from Avia. It has the mock neck quilted through the body, has the scuba style material through the sleeve, and then also a little bit of quilting in the back. The Avia style comes in the black, pink, there's green, brown, beige, and orange, and on sale for $17.49. And then they also have this style new from Aerosol. These have a little bit of a square toe, this seam detail, chunky heel with the zipper on the inside. These are on sale for $16.18. New boot from Aerosols. These have that round toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and on sale for $16.18. So a major sale are these combat boots from No Boundaries. They have that round toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside, lace up. These are regularly $27.98. They're now $7.98. They also come in black. Also on sale are these Mary Janes from Madden NYC. These have the round toe, chunky heel. They're down to $14 and change, regularly $25. The boots from Madden NYC are majorly marked down right now. Don't wait, because they've restocked these and then they put the price back up. These have that pointed toe, chunky heel. They have that sequin option, also marked down. They're all $24. They have lots of really good colors. I love these Moto boots. These are also majorly marked down. They have that round toe, zipper on the inside. In store they're down to $29, but online they're down to $14. Madden NYC loafers are also on sale. These have that round toe, platform in the black and white, regularly $26. They're down to $14.99. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.